In today's episode of Coffee Grind, we'll be hanging out with one of the nation's top Filipino chefs, San Francisco Rising Star chef, and the face of modern Filipino food movement, Chef Francis Ang. Chef Francis is drawn from the multicultural influences found in regional Filipino cuisine, and if you're looking for him, you can find him here nestled in San Francisco Fisherman's Wharf District. ABACÁ is the Bay Area's darling restaurant that started off as a pop-up, eventually growing into a cult following that has led to numerous accolades, including a James Beard semi-finalist nomination for Best New Restaurant in 2022. Hey everyone, I'm here with Chef Francis Ang, chef and owner of ABACÁ, and today he'll be showing us how to make my favorite coffee from his establishment, a Yuzu flat white. Chef Francis, could you tell us a little bit more about your inspiration and what goes into this? My favorite coffee from you?
The way it came about that is when I spent some time in Australia, they have an amazing coffee culture, and one of my favorite is, a cappuccino or flat white with orange rind. So, one of my ultimate favorite fruit is yuzu. We added that with black cardamom and roasted white chocolate.
And you were a pastry chef for many, many years, so you're pairing up like this super awesome, innovative way to drink coffee with pastries, right? And the thing about it is that I love your pastries. It's not too sweet, nor is your coffee, which I think really shows like the complexity of all the other stuff that's in coffee, right?
Absolutely, sweet and savory. That's my favorite pairing.
What does the black cardamom do for the Yuzu flat white, which I love, but can you explain to everyone else why it's amazing or why it needs to be there?
So it pulls back into the savory note, like I said. It adds a little bit of smokiness. It ties down the yuzu so it is not towards the sweet spectrum, basically. I think it adds a little bit of layer. Cooking and pastry, I really love layers. You taste one thing, and then it'll layer off to another thing, and then another thing. So that's the whole idea.
And the way they're kind of mixed together heightens the ingredients, kind of like on a very simple, basic level, how salt can make things highlight the taste.
Correct.
Or even black pepper can bring out sweetnesses in things that don't have sugar, right?
Correct.
Enough talking about coffee. Let's go to your coffee bar and make this Yuzu flat white, bro. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Awesome, man. This series was made in partnership with Mr.Espresso, a family-owned and ran roastery in my hometown, Oakland. Naturally, their customers and small businesses they serve reflect the diverse faces of the SF Bay Area, and these episodes are an homage to them, our community. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, but most importantly, make sure you hit the bell so you get a notification every time a new episode airs. And if you want this recipe, this flat white yuzu, make sure you check the description in the link below. But most importantly, cheers and peace out.